Fear is the silent killer of traders. Fear does not shout. Fear whispers. Fear slowly changes decisions. Most traders do not fail because of strategy. They fail because of fear. Fear starts the moment real money is used. Paper trading feels easy. Real trading feels heavy. Fear is emotional weight. The market is neutral. The chart has no emotion. Candles do not care about you. Your mind creates fear. Fear is born from uncertainty. Fear grows from losses. Fear survives on bad habits. Every trader feels fear. Beginners feel it openly. Professionals feel it silently. Fear never fully disappears. It only becomes manageable. The first type of fear is fear of loss. Losing money hurts. Not because of money, but because of ego. Loss feels like failure. Loss feels personal. But loss is part of trading. The market gives profit. The market also takes loss. Both are normal. Fear appears when you expect every trade to win. This expectation is dangerous. No strategy wins every trade. No trader avoids losses. Fear comes when you forget this truth. You take a trade, price moves slightly against you. Your mind reacts instantly. Your heart beats faster. Your breath becomes shallow. Your eyes stick to the screen. You stop thinking logically. You start thinking emotionally. You forget your analysis. You forget your plan. You forget probabilities. You only see red numbers. This is fear taking control. You exit early not because the setup failed, but because fear won. After exit, price moves to target. Now fear changes into regret. Regret is fear's partner. Regret hurts confidence. Low confidence increases fear. This cycle repeats again and again. Another fear is fear of missing out. This fear comes from watching fast moves. Price moves without you. You feel left behind. You feel stupid. You jump into the trade, no plan, no proper stop loss. Entry is emotional, exit becomes painful. Fear of missing out creates bad trades. Bad trades create losses. Losses create more fear. Fear also comes from overtrading. Too many trades overload the mind. Mind becomes tired. Tired mind makes fearful decisions. Fear increases when position size is big. Big size magnifies emotion. Even a small move feels dangerous. If size is small, mind stays calm. Calm mind makes better decisions. Fear also comes from lack of clarity. No clear rules, no clear system. When rules are unclear, mind guesses. Guessing creates fear. Fear grows when you change rules mid-trade. One moment you trust the plan, next moment you doubt it. Doubt feeds fear. Fear is strongest after a series of losses. One loss is easy. Two losses are uncomfortable. Three losses are painful. Now fear controls every click. You hesitate on good setups. You enter bad setups. Fear makes you late. Fear makes you early. Fear makes you freeze. Fear also comes from watching P&L constantly. Money-focused trading increases pressure. Every tick feels important. Every candle feels dangerous. Professionals do not watch money. They watch structure. They watch rules. Fear reduces when focus shifts from money to process. Process means rules. Rules mean clarity. Clarity reduces fear. Fear also comes from lack of preparation. If you did not study the market, your mind feels unsafe. Prepared traders feel calm. Unprepared traders feel fear. Fear comes from unrealistic goals. Fast money dreams create pressure. Pressure creates fear. Trading is not a lottery. Trading is not gambling. Trading is a business. Business has expenses. Losses are expenses. Fear reduces when you accept this. Fear also comes from comparison. Social media shows profits. Losses are hidden. You compare your journey with others. This creates self-doubt. Self-doubt feeds fear. Your journey is unique. Your pace is unique. Fear also comes from revenge trading. After loss, you want recovery. Recovery mindset is dangerous. It increases size, it removes patience. Fear hides behind anger and revenge trading. Fear also comes from trading without rest. Mental fatigue increases emotional reactions. Rest improves discipline. Fear shows you your weak areas. Fear is feedback. If fear comes from size, reduce size. If fear comes from no plan, build a plan. If fear comes from uncertainty, backtest more. Fear reduces with repetition. The more you follow rules, the more confidence builds. Confidence does not come from winning trades. Confidence comes from disciplined behavior. One disciplined loss is success. One emotional profit is danger. Fear also comes from trying to predict the market. Prediction creates attachment. Attachment creates fear. Professionals do not predict, they react. Fear reduces when you accept uncertainty. The market is uncertain. Your risk must be certain. Fixed risk creates calmness. Never risk money you cannot accept losing. Fear increases when loss threatens your lifestyle. Fear also comes from trading borrowed money. Borrowed money creates pressure. Pressure kills discipline. Fear reduces when you simplify trading. Too many indicators create confusion. Confusion creates fear. Simple charts create clarity. Clarity reduces fear. Fear also comes from lack of routine. Random trading creates chaos. Routine creates stability. Start every day with a plan. End every day with a review. Fear reduces when mistakes are reviewed. Fear also comes from trading every day. Not every day is good for trading. Waiting is a skill. Patience reduces fear. Fear comes when you feel forced to trade. No trade is also a position. Fear also comes from lack of self-trust. Self-trust is built by keeping promises to yourself. Follow your rules even when it hurts. Fear reduces slowly. There is no shortcut. One calm trade at a time. When fear appears, pause, breathe slowly, read your rules. Do not fight fear, understand it. Fear is not your enemy. Fear is your teacher. The goal is not fearless trading. The goal is controlled trading. Controlled trading creates consistency. Consistency creates growth. Fear never disappears, but it no longer controls you. And that is real success in trading.